Okay, so you guys ready to learn some Luxembourgish words?
Ooh, yes.
Good. So the first word is pim-pom-pel. Pim-pom-pel. Pim-pom-pel.
Pim-pom-pel.
It means butterfly. So if you were out at the park and you saw a butterfly, you would say, "Ah, that is a pim-pom-pel. That is a pim-pom-pel."
Are we saying that ass?
Yes, it means that is. It's akin to the French c'est.
That ass, huh?
Speaking of French, in Luxembourgish, to say thank you, you say merci.
Oh, merci.
And to say you're welcome, you say gergeschit.
Did you say gag on shit?
I thought he said gag of shit. No, it's gergeschit. It means it happens with pleasure.
Ooh,
It happens with pleasure. Gergeschit. Sort of like the French derrière.
I thought derrière means ass.
Never mind that. This isn't a French class.
I wish this was a French class. French is so sexy sounding.
Oui, oui, mademoiselle. Je t'aime le cordon bleu et pomme de terre.
French is the language of love.
Yeah, but Luxembourgish is the language of that ass.
Language of that ass.